Hello everyone, welcome back to your YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone. In this video, we shall take more questions relating to area of a triangle by determinants. First question, if P 1 3 and Q 0 2 are 2 points and R K0 is any point on is any point such that area of such that area of triangle PQR is 3 square units, then find value of K. Solution: area of triangle PQR is 3 square units. Therefore, half determinant 131 021 K0 1 is equal to plus minus 3, which implies 1 into 2 minus 0 minus 3 into K minus 0 plus 1 into 2K minus 0 is equal to plus minus 6. This will give you 2 minus 3K plus 2K is equal to plus minus 6. That is 2 minus K is equal to plus minus 6. 2 minus K is equal to 6, or 2 minus K is minus 6. Therefore, K is equal to minus 4, or K is equal to 8. So answer is K is equal to minus 4, 8. Next question. Find the value of x. Question second. Find the value of x if the area of triangle, if the area of a triangle with vertices A00, B6x, C43 is 9 square units. Solution: As we have done in the previous question, we have area of triangle ABC is 9 square units. 9 square units. Therefore, half determinant 0, 0, 1, 6x1, 4, 3, 1 is equal to plus minus 9. Then, expanding by first row, 0, minus 0, plus 1 into 18 minus 4x is equal to plus minus 9. This will give you 18 minus 4x is equal to minus 9, or 18 minus 4x is equal to 9. This means 4x is equal to minus 27, or minus 4x is equal to minus 9. That means x is equal to 27 by 4, or x is equal to 9 by 4. So answer is x is equal to 9 by 4, 27 by 4. Third question, if ax1y1, bx2y2, cx3y3 are vertices of a triangle ABC with each side with each side A, where triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Prove that determinant x1 y1 2, x2 y2 2, x3 y3 2 whole square is equal to 3a raised power 4. Solution: let delta is area of triangle ABC. This implies delta is equal to half x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1, which implies twice delta is equal to x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Multiplying both sides by 2, multiplying both sides by 2, we have 4 delta is equal to 2 into x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. We can multiply the elements of third column by 2, which is equal to x1 y1 2, x2 y2 2, x3 y3 2. Squaring both sides, we have 16 delta square is equal to x1 y1 2, x2 y2 2, x3 y3 2 whole square. This is first equation. But triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. This is given. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is square root 3 by 4a square. Therefore, delta is equal to square root 3 by 4a square. 4 delta is equal to square root 3 a square. Squaring both sides, we have 16 delta square is equal to 3a raised by 4. This is second equation. From equations first and second, we get left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence, determinant x2 y2 2, x1 y1 2, x2 y2 2, x3 y3 2 is equal to 3a raised by 4. Hence proved. That's all. In the next video, we shall take adjoint of a square matrix and inverse of a square matrix, and also take some important points related to this. Thank you. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe Mathematics for Everyone to see more videos. So thank you. See you in the next video.